How to fix Telegram media not loading. Are Telegram images or videos stuck on the loading screen? Here's how to get them working again. First, double check your internet connection. Is the main cause of stuck media? Then head into settings and go to advanced and tap on automatic media download. Make sure it's turned on for your current connection type. Next, check if your storage is full. Clear cache under manage location storage. You can also try logging out and back in. If none of that works, uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram usually fixes persistent issues. What kind of media causes the most issues for you? Let me know in the comments below. And now your Telegram should be loading everything as expected. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.